Hi guys, it's me again, Attorney Aljumrani, and welcome back to Yes! So in today's video, meron tayo final exam, final activity dito sa Gender and the Law, only here in the University of the East College of Law. So sasamahan nyo kami as we culminate this entire SEM of learning the laws on women and gender rights. Kasama na rin dyan ang LGBT. So tara, samahan nyo kami. But before we go, guys,
Please like and subscribe!
yes, perfect! Okay class, so here is the instruction for your final exam, final activity. So think of a specific or generic person who needs to hear the message of the law. He or she may be a straight person or cisgender or a member of the LGBTQIA community. Write a personal letter to him or her. Tell that person what truth you realized about him or her, his or her life, rights, aspirations, and struggles. Then tell that person about a specific law, rule, or case that you learned from this course and how this law, rule, or case can protect that person and his rights. Make it straight to the point, sincere, and do not exceed the front page of the paper provided. So for example, you start your letter with to, state the name or description of the person, and then the second paragraph will be, I know that you state the truth that you realized about the person, their life, rights, struggles, and aspirations. And then you say, I want you to know that, state the law, rule, or case. And lastly, you say, I hope with this law, now state your hopes for that person. Okay ba? Alright, sige, let's begin.
Good afternoon po. So, I will read my letter. To you whose rights are being bullied, violated, and oppressed in the world of social media and online-based platforms. To you, as an online user, is being relentlessly attacked by unknown online users. I want you to know that the Safe Spaces Act of 2019 now gives you the protection for gender-based online sexual harassment. It is an act that uses information and communication technology and the usage of sexual remarks and the comments online through public posting or direct messaging. I want you to know that you are protected online. You are not forgotten and you are not disregarded. You have a right and this is for you.
Ang liham na ito ay para sa lahat ng mga matatanda na hindi matanggap ang mga LGBTQIA. Naiintindihan ko kung bakit hindi bukas ang inyong mga isipan dahil pinanganak kayo sa panahon na itinatrato ang LGBTQIA community na sakit ng lipunan at sila ay ginagamot. Pero gusto ko malaman ninyo na iba na ang mga panahon ngayon. Dahil ang mga kabataan sa panahon ngayon ay mas bukas na ang kanilang mga isipan dahil mas exposed sa mga forums, lectures at subjects sa school patungkol sa LGBTQIA. Sinasabi sa Universal Declaration of Human Rights o UDHR na all human beings without distinction are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Na ang ibig sabihin ay lahat ng tao ay malaya, pantay-pantay at walang diskriminasyon. Sana maliwanagan ang mga isip ninyo na lahat ng tao na isinilang sa mundo ay dapat itrato ng tama, pantay-pantay, at may dignidad at higit sa lahat, walang diskriminasyon sa kapwa dahil ito ang ugat ng ating pagiging tao.
To the mothers who cannot say no just to save a family or marriage, I know that you have been dealing a lot as life really hits you hard this time. I know as a woman, you have to be the family person that you are considering how much the society dictates you to be. You have chosen to be a full-time wife and mom to your children from the moment your husband promised you that he will definitely provide for the family by going abroad without conditions and with great loyalty. However, I know too what has happened between you two, the painful reality of infidelity and unfaithfulness while you are here doing the best way you can to be the good mother and wife that you already are. When your husband was caught off guard, he even went home to you, and instead of apology and reconciliation, you received physical beatings, blaming, shame, and emotional trauma, which even caused you to have an attempt to take your own life. Your neighbors have been judging you, and you cannot seem to let the marriage go as everyone surrounding you kept telling you to save the marriage, ignore, and just do it for your children. Yet little do they know you have already endured much as no one wants to have a failed marriage to begin with. I want you to know that you are not alone. Women, mothers, and wives like you nowadays do have a voice to speak up about struggles and abuses as you and your experiences are recognized and protected by the law. The physical beatings, infidelity, emotional trauma, and distress, and everything you went through from this abusive relationship or marriage is a form of physical and emotional abuse punished under RA 9262, Violence Against Women and Children. It is easily said and done, but know that you do not deserve such kind of treatment. I hope with this law, wives and mothers like you show up and be a voice for yourself, because wives and mothers like you do have the role in nurturing the society. Reporting such cases will not make you less of a mother or family person.
To all Filipino girls out there, I know that some of you are experiencing catcalling whenever you go, or whether in the streets, workplace, and sometimes men look at you with extreme sexual desires in their eyes, and then they will utter maniacal or green compliments about how sexy you look. And sometimes girls out there are experiencing offers from their teachers or business owners that is offering them good grades or work opportunity in exchange for a date. I want you to know that under the Safe Spaces Act or Bawal Bastos Law, this unwanted catcalling, unwanted remarks, or offering of good grades, work opportunity in exchange of unwanted dates or sexual advances, sexual offers, in exchange for something, all of these are prohibited under the law. I hope with this law, you can straight to the point na takutin sila at basagin na pagpatuloy pa kayong inanoy or inopera ng mga ganitong klaseng bagay ay pwede nyo silang kasuhan.
Para sa aking matalik na kaibigan, nabatid ko ang halos kabuuan ng kwento ng buhay. Mga napagdaan ng pagsubok sa pamilya, sa trabaho, kwentong pag-ibig, kaibigan at iba pa. Ilang beses mong sinabi na gusto mo nang sumuko, bumitaw, dahil kahit kaunting pag-asa ay hindi mo na maramdaman. Alam mo sa panahong ito, na naging kabilang ako sa mga alagad ng batas bilang isang mag-aaral, napagtanto kong walang lugar sa isang babae, lalaki o sa sino man ang pagbitaw o pagsuko sa kung ano man ang nasimulan na. Hindi ko lubos maisip yung mga banggit mo na naranasan mo, tulad ng hindi magandang pagtrato sa iyo ng iyong ama dahil sa dahilan lamang na estado ng iyong ina, dahil nakilala niya ito bilang isang babaeng nagbibigay aliw, sa mga naranasan mo sa dati mong karelasyon, at pati na rin sa iyong trabaho, mga abuso ng mga nakatataas na opisyal. Sa ilalim ng Batas Republika bilang 9710 o Magna Carta of Women, tandaan mo na ang Estado ay may tungkuling itaguyod ang pantay na karapatan ng mga lalaki at babae sa pamamagitan ng tuluyang pagwakas sa mga gawaing maaaring magbunga ng diskriminasyon at di pantay na pagtrato sa tao dahil sa kanyang kasarian, sexual na oryentasyon, o persepsyon hinggil sa gender at katulad. Gayun din, ayon sa itinatadhana ng Batas Republika 9262 o ang Anti-Violence Against Women, Violence Against Women and Their Children, kinokondena nito ang mga pisikal, sexual, o psikolohikong karahasan na naranasan o nararanasan ng mga babae kasama ang kanilang anak laban sa kanilang asawa, karelasyon o mga dating nakarelasyon. Dagdag pa at manghuli, sa ilalim ng Batas Republika bilang 7877 o ang Anti-Sexual Harassment Act, maaaring ireklamo ang nakatataas na opisyal o kapwa-empleyado man para sa mga illegal na sexual na pabor mula sa mga nabanggit. Di man kita direktang matulungan, sana ay mapagnilayan mo ang nilalaman ng mensahe ito para tuluyan ng mabura ang mga agam-agam sa iyong isipan at masimula ng mga nararapat gawin. Lagi lang akong nandito para sa iyo. Nagmamahal. Easy.
And now this is my letter to my younger self. So to my younger self, I remember how you felt scared and uncertain about your place in the world. Your parents, your family, your school, and society in general, they imposed the standards for you, set the expectations for you, and even decided the dreams you can make for yourself. But despite these expectations, you found your own voice, your identity, and your own dreams. I remember that on many occasions, you tried to be invisible and to use a voice and identity that was not your own. You did that so many times, especially when you felt that the other person or persons were ultra-conservative or did not tolerate what or who you were. I also remember when you hated yourself for being different, for feeling emotions that a man should not feel, and for feeling guilty after experiencing something that felt really good. I want you to know that under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, we are all created equal. You can come out of the dark and be your true self. You have so much to offer this world. Be the person that you want to be. Your worth will be judged not by what or who you are, but by your actions and your contribution to humanity. Know that as years will pass, more and more laws will be passed protecting your right to be you. Indeed, the world will be a better place. Maybe not now, but in the future. I hope with the UDHR and other laws protecting your rights to equality and non-discrimination, you will no longer feel scared, ashamed, and guilty for being different. Live your purpose, achieve your full potential, and follow your heart. Sincerely, yourself several years later. So, dyan po nagtatapos sa aming final exam and final activity here on Gender and the Law. So, ang wish ko sa mga estudyante ko na sana ay matupad ang kanilang pangarap, mag-abogado sila, and hopefully they will be in a better position to apply the law and to help the people na kanilang na-identify na merong pinagdadaanan, and especially those who deserve to hear the message of the law on gender and equality. Ayan, so maraming salamat for joining us and for watching this video. Please like if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo pag upload ako ng panibagong video. So laging tatandaan, isip ay buksan, alamin ang batas!